Hello guys, welcome back to Matt's Motors, and in today's video I'll be doing a few interior modifications, a few exterior modifications, and just getting the car looking a lot cleaner. So yeah, I'll be changing the steering wheel from this to this, and I will make the wiper go from this into this. Right, so I'm on to changing the steering wheel now, but before you want to do anything with the steering wheel, I always like to disconnect the battery and leave it for about 10 minutes disconnected before I touch anything, just in case there's any like charge left in it. So I've taken all the terminals off and then wrapped them in a glove just so they can't touch anything. Right, so I was right in thinking that those are the two things to get the airbag out. So I've got the airbag out. What I now don't know is how to take this off. I don't know whether to take it off from that end, but obviously I don't know where these go, or take it off from this end, but I'm a bit scared of taking this off in case it does something. Obviously that's straight to the airbag, so I assume that that's what explodes it. So I'm going to poke around with things until I decide which one I want to take out. Right, I managed to get it off and these little silly things off. To be honest, how I did it is I just hit it and prayed and hoped. I just picked the one I wanted to, put a little flathead under it and just pulled it and prayed that nothing went bang and it didn't break anything. So yeah. Right, it is now a new day. As always, it takes longer than you think, or I think. I was pissing around all yesterday trying to figure out how to get off the this little black plastic bit. I believe you have to get rid of this because the boss doesn't fit otherwise. Couldn't figure it out, and I think you have to take, I don't know how well, yeah, there's that little gold screw in there. Take the indicator stalks off, and then I think I should be able to get this whole like plastic. I think it's the clock spring. So fingers crossed I'll stop pissing around and get it done. I don't know what I'm doing. I've now taken all of it off. There's nothing left. I still don't know what I'm doing. Still trying to pull it apart without breaking or ruining something. Right, so I've managed to put it all back together and do what I think is right. Obviously I've disconnected the, whatever this spinny thing is, clock spring. So I'm not actually sure if it will start, if the indicator and stuff will work. So I'm just going to turn it on now. Please, car. No. Oh, I guess the wipers are working. So indicator. Are the indicators coming on?
Yeah, left.
Oh, nice. Happy days. Now will it start? Because that is also important. Yes. Nice. So this is the one thing I have done multiple times. So basically all you need to do is detach all the shit basically. The hardest part is usually pulling it out. So sometimes you need a like a wiper puller, which I have somewhere, but I have lost it currently. So now that I've seen with my actual eyeballs, I think you're just meant to pry them off. That's what I'm going to do anyway. But they do have Phillips bits in it, so I mean, I assume most people would replace them, but I don't do that. I just take and leave it broken. So these are no use anymore. So I've got rid of all the little clips and pins in there, so I think this should, other than this, that's the only thing from stopping it from pulling out. So I don't know how I unclip this, but I'll give it a go and yeah, find out. It's actually a proper Phillips head screw in here.
Well, that's right, because when you put it back together again, that'll hold it.
I'm not putting it back in.
You know?
Nah. You know me, just take it apart, don't put it back together.
vibrations and noises.
No, not if I don't have it in there. There's nothing to vibrate.
Put that back when finished.
There's hardly any clips left.
Don't worry, we'll glue it on or something. Look how ugly it is, darling.
How often do you look in the...
I know, but it just look nice. They look finished.
Shut up.
Yeah, you don't put that. We'll put.
I'll throw them all in the bin.
No, we've got some clips.
No, we don't.
We have. I've got
No.
some somewhere.
No.
I actually bought some.
Yeah, we've run out.
I'll find them in a minute.
No, I used them all, didn't I?
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
I've got 1,000 of them. I've got 10 boxes on
Yeah, well, I threw them all in the bin as well.
there. There they are. Or just put a bit of oven glue in it, stop it making a rattle.
Nah.
Your dog, be glad you put it back.
I thought that... No. I thought...
But
I can't really see where it is. Oh, God, it's right up in there. I have to take all this rubbish off.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely.
I don't need it anyway, do I?
Well, you're not going to use it, can you? You might be able to sell it.
No. Yeah, that'll be fine. I'll take it all off and then...
Yeah, well, that's all right. That's easy enough. Are you going to...
I've taken the one nut off this and I doubt it, but it might just come straight off. No, it won't just come off. I doubt it.
But I wouldn't come here without my glasses because I'm always...
Because you're blind.
Right, let's get something fat enough to go in there. Got a bit of wood?
No, I haven't just got a bit of wood to hand.
Well, I'll get a bit of wood.
Watch,
I've got a bit of wood.
watch my beautiful paintwork. He reckons, oh God, this thing's screwed in all the way. He reckons there's still an inch of gap between them. And then you've got no grip, but hey. That's too fat, isn't it?
Don't know, let's have a look.
Yeah, well, you're going to have to wind it out now, but... What are you eating, dog?
Some blue tissue. Right, perfect. So,
Right, give this a go. Oh, it's not enough. Oh, it sounds like it's just going to go through the wood. That's going to go straight through. Watch your finger, otherwise it gets splinters. That's not doing it, is that? Or you just... Oh, knocked my glass on it. I reckon the metal alone will be enough. Don't use a spanner.
how long is it? Yeah,
It's
right.
square as well, so it'll be...
Right, try and wind that off.
Oh, it's not the bar.
It's that bit that slides off.
Oh, okay.
Whee!
Oh, there you go.
Right, do you want a video of that? Getting it off.
It's on the video. Oh, nice. Oh. That is off. Now I've got to take all the stuff from the inside out, and then, yeah, there'll be no wiper, no longer. I also want to get rid of all of these silly old stickers. Nasty. Right, I think it's all about to drop out, or at least some of it, so we'll give that a go. Yeah, so I'm literally just removing this all. I'm going to take all of it out because I'm never going to use it again, so it doesn't matter if like things are missing. So I think I've taken everything off, so if I can get this sort of lined up right, I should be able to pull it out. Maybe I need to get something else out of the way. Oh, there we go. So now there is no wiper, and I just need to get this little grommet out, and then I can replace it with the one that sort of blanks it off. Right, all I've got to do is put this little bad boy in this hole. So, fingers crossed, it just pops in. Oh, this may be quite hard to do with one hand. Right, that's all that done. That's fine. It was just taking all the stickers off. They were really brittle and hard, so I had to like sort of melt them off with white spirit and petrol. But yeah, car's all done now. I will get you some good footage of it now in a second.
Right, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you liked the little modifications. As always, if you did enjoy it, please like, comment and subscribe. And if you didn't, I'm really sorry. Also comment and tell me why you didn't enjoy it. Look forward to a video next week, next Thursday, of me changing up the interior by re-trimming the door cards and maybe something else if I can figure it out.